Hello and welcome to our video tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to easily import your contacts into KUNOMAIL via a CSV file. This allows you to easily contact your friends, family, and acquaintances without much effort. Watch the video now and follow the simple steps. To begin importing your contacts, open the KUNOMAIL Contact Manager. In the Contact Manager, go to the Import Contacts tab. Now you can select the CSV file you want to import. Click Select Import File to select the file from your computer. After you select the CSV file, KUNOMAIL will import the contacts and display them in a selection list. Here you can review the data before proceeding with the import. Since there is no standardized export format for CSV files, you'll need to make the mappings manually. Simply map the appropriate fields from the import file, as shown here. Once the mapping is complete, the corresponding data will be displayed for review. After you've made all the assignments, it's important to thoroughly review the displayed contact again. To do this, you can easily switch back and forth between the individual contacts in the selection list. This way, you can ensure that each assignment is correct. If necessary, you can adjust the assignments for individual fields at any time to ensure error-free data transfer. Now you can select the contacts you want to import. You can choose to either select all contacts directly or specify only specific contacts for import. Once you've made your selection, click the Start Import button to transfer the contacts to KUNOMAIL. Once the import process is complete, you can switch to the Private Contacts tab. Here you will find all imported contacts. You can select them and edit them further. Add a picture to your contacts or assign them to a contact group, for example, to display them in your favorites. Once the import is complete, your new contacts will be immediately available in your email contact selection. However, if your list is very extensive, you can use the handy filter function to search for specific contacts. This allows you to quickly and easily find exactly the contacts you need. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video. We hope the information was helpful and that you now have a good overview of the possibilities of KUNOMAIL. We would be very pleased if you would give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any further tutorials. We wish you much success trying out KUNOMAIL and look forward to seeing you again soon.